Now go.
Aloha everybody, thanks for tuning in to Photoluke Hawaii for your weekly Hawaii update. It is Friday, July 3rd, 2020. These are our current numbers as of today. As you can see, our numbers have risen a lot lately for us anyways. They said as of August 1st, if you do the pre-flight testing 3 days ahead or 72 hours ahead and you show a negative result, you will not have to do the 14-day mandatory quarantine when you come to Hawaii. As some of our viewers has pointed out, it kind of doesn't make sense because even if you get tested 3 days before, can't you still get infected after that? So I'm not sure how they're going to deal with that. Plus, also, it's been brought up to my attention that in some places it is not easy to get a test, and that you actually have to show symptoms of this COVID-19 to actually request for a test. You can't just be for, I want to go on a vacation trip to Hawaii, so I want to get a testing. I guess it depends on where you are, and some places the test is free and some places it's expensive. Some places it takes minutes to find your results, some hours, and most I've heard takes days. So I'm not sure how they're going to do this whole 72-hour thing when sometimes the tests will take 5 days, or it'd be nice if they had a short, like instant, like minutes, to find out. There's all kind of things that they're going to have to work out before August 1st because there's too many what ifs. I'll leave a link down below for the Hawaii State Health Department website, and also check out gohawaii.com, which to me has easier information to read about traveling to Hawaii. I would check out both sites so you can kind of compare, but I find easier information to read at gohawaii.com. You can also check out Hawaii News Now or KHON2 News on YouTube or their websites, and I'll leave links down below to their websites. I'll leave their names down below in the description so that you can look for their YouTube channel. They both post daily videos about current news that's happening in Hawaii. Wearing a mask is now mandatory when entering any buildings, malls, businesses, offices, drive-thrus, and also outside areas that is not possible to social distance. You still need to wear a mask. And for all of you who are not concerned about getting this virus because you think, oh, it's no big deal, you can't think about yourself, which you're probably a very strong, healthy person. You got to think about the elderly people that you might be in contact with, which could be your grandparents or anybody in your family that might have cancer or any kind of something. Those are the people that you should be worried about, and even the infants and the young children. Just as a reminder, don't forget to cut your nails, wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water when you have it, and if you don't have it, use hand sanitizer. When we go shopping somewhere into the supermarket or something, if they have hand sanitizer, as soon as we enter the store we use the hand sanitizer, and then we go shopping, we pay for our stuff, we exit the store, we go to our car, and then we hand sanitize in the car again. Then when we go home, I personally go and wipe down most of the groceries down with Clorox wipe, and then wash my hands again for 20 seconds. I want to minimize the chance of stuff passing on, and I heard that you may not have to worry about groceries so much, but that's just me. I like to be a little bit more cautious. I'm around my dad sometimes, or my mom, and they're getting older, and they interact with other people, and with the grandkids and stuff. So I'm just trying to be cautious all around. And we have a full house. I don't want to infect anybody in our house. Be better than you think that you need to be, as much as possible. I know all the major celebrations have been canceled, but happy 4th of July to everybody. Happy Independence Day. I know this is not the way everybody wants to celebrate this day, but I just want all of you to know that we're thinking of all of you and wishing you all a happy 4th of July. There are many places of interest that have opened. I would go to each one's website if you're thinking about going there, because their schedules may have changed. They might not be open every day. They might have shorter hours. This includes restaurants, zoos, you know, places of interest like that. Or you can go to gohawaii.com. You can check on their website. It might show that a business might be able to open, but just as a reminder, it does not mean that they are open at this time. It just means that they are allowed to be open now. I've been saying that Hanauma Bay will be opening after June, and that's what they were saying. They were going to be closed until June 30th, but now their website says until further notice, so they are still not open yet. Same thing with Maui Ocean Center. Maui Ocean Center is also not open yet, and it says it will let us know. But I believe if you go on the website, they do let you buy tickets for August 1st. So, but double check. That might be the opening day, and I'm not sure because they have not actually said that on their website. Whenever you're planning to go to any business, make sure to check their website, call them if you need to, you know, just to confirm. You don't want to go there for nothing. We've seen people go to the zoo and we saw the gates closed and we're like, what? They're closed today? You know, we thought that they'd be open today, but no. So make sure that wherever you're going to go, make sure you double check that they're going to be open at the time. There's a lot of stores still in Waikiki that are still not open yet. At the malls like Ala Moana Shopping Center, Pro Ridge, or Kahala Mall, there's still a lot of stores that are not open yet. It's just not worth it. Cheryl's waiting for Bath and Body Works to be open. We're running out of our hand soap, but you know, hopefully some of these stores will start to open again, because some of them can still thrive with local business, but on the visitor side, things are, you know, really tough right now. I'm not sure how all these businesses are going to recover from this, but I really hope the majority of them can hang in there. Don't forget, we have a Hawaiian music playlist. I'll leave that link down below. You can use the shuffle option so you can listen or watch the videos in a different order, so you don't have to watch it in the same order all the time. You can also make your own playlist off of what videos that we have, and, you know, create your own personal playlist for your listening desires. Photoluke Hawaii is sponsored by Molokai Hawaiian music artist Lono. Please go to lonomusic.com and check him out. If you like his music, please help and support him and buy a CD from him. He's super awesome. He lets us use his music in our videos, especially on our driving videos. You hear his music. Thank you, Lono. We really appreciate you. You're awesome. And thank you to all of you who want to check out Lono and support him by buying his music, because he would really appreciate it also. Check out Photoluke Hawaiian Travels channel. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in what we do when we go traveling, and what we like to do, what we like to eat, and little things that we discover and experience on our traveling trips. Also, bone dance. We post our bone dance videos now on top of there. And for this year, since we don't have bone dance, I'm posting flashback bone dance videos. Some of them are really old videos, some of them are newer videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. Also, if you want to help support us a little bit more, you can check out our Patreon page and join us on there. Mahalo nui loa, which means thanks very much. Malama pono, which means take care. Ahui ho, which means until next time. Aloha. Thanks, you guys. Mahalo.